Hi friends, this is Sean Washburn from YourExcelTutor.com, and you're watching 30 Tips in 30 Days. Today's topic is the Quick Access Toolbar, and you can find this up top. Maybe you've never used it, maybe you are an avid user of it, but we're going to discuss it a little bit. So this is a place where you want to keep a couple different things. One could be items that you use a lot, and you want to be able to get to them no matter where you're at. And others, for me, like print preview here, I don't use it that often, but every time I want to use it, I don't like to have to hunt through and find it in the tab, so I want to be able to have it handy. So either something handy or something that you're using often that you want to be able to get to. You can have it up here on the top, or you can right click and go show it below the ribbon. I feel like that gets a little jumbled, so I just keep mine up on the top. And if you want to, you can also remove it. This is all right clicking. So we can also go and customize it. And that's one of the best features here is you can go through, you can find whatever tab you want to find and find something, let's say a line right, and we're just going to put that in there, and then we can pick from this drop down whether we want that for all our files or just for this current file. And we can also move it up and down inside the toolbar. That'll go left and right. When we're done, we'll click OK, and it adds it right in there. So hope you enjoyed this tip, and check in for another tip tomorrow.